So dito nagsisimula yung CPNO3. At yan tapos na nila yung viaduct dito. Ayan. So dito na nanggaling yung kanilang gantry number 3 na malapit na rin dudugtong doon sa gantry number 2.
Of course, we have our balanced cantilever bridge that we will build across SCTEX. So this is one of the more challenging segments of the alignment because we cannot be too low because of SCTEX, but we cannot be too high because of the airport. So engineering-wise, I remember all of the discussions around this.
Pati dito sa may bahagi ng tulay ay connected na. Ayan So inaatras na nila itong kanilang cantilever formwork. So tapos na, tatanggalin na lang nila yan. So ito yung piece dito sa pagtawid ng expressway nung ginagawa nilang balance cantilever bridge. So, kulang na lang kung i-continue nila yung mga viaduct papunta na doon sa may underground station. Yan. At dito sa may Clark Station. So yan. So diretso na natin doon sa may Yan. So dito, dyan pa rin yung gumagamit sila ng mga steel girders. So hindi pa rin yata nadugtungan. Kaya wala pa. Lakas ng hangin Lagis din para matumba tayo Yun may aeroplano. Kita niyo ba yung airplane? Ang baba ng airplane. Yan Kita niyo ba? Kitang-kita ko. Doon sa kanilang istasyon ay nagsimula na sila ng pagtayo ng mga poste. At dito sa kanilang balance cantilever bridge, tapos na. At yung cast and seat nila, tinatanggalan na ng mga formworks. Kasi dyan na naman yung lagi nating tinitignan yung may development. Pagdating dito sa mga poste, ay wala tayo gano'ng makita dahil mag-antay na lang yan ng mga kailan nila lalagyan ng viaduct. Yan, dito wala So papunta na yan doon sa underground station ng Clark International Airport. Yun! So dito na nanggaling yung kanilang gantry number 3 na malapit na rin dudugtong doon sa gantry number 2. Yan So ito tapos na. So wala sila ganong problema dito dahil walang mga nakatira. Walang magkakaso. So tuloy-tuloy lang yung nila dito. Gawa nila ng viaduct.
Now, of course, here is the ongoing excavation works for the Clark International Airport's fully underground station. So this excavation is going to be 20 meters deep, 250 meters wide, and 60 meters in 250 meters in length and 60 meters wide. We are going to excavate a total of 300,000 cubic meters. As you were approaching the site, you might have noticed a lot of construction works ongoing. That is our tunnel segment. Because approaching Clark Airport, coming from the main line in SM Clark, is an underground tunnel segment, which is going to be cut and cover. So this will be a similarly 10 to 15 meter depth of excavation.